Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ben Hoogendoorn. I'm the Territory Manager for Survey and Geomatics here in British Columbia. Brandt was originally Brandt Electric. They were formed in Saskatchewan. They produced the first grain augers in Canada. It later turned into Brandt Industries. We're now 1,800 strong across Canada and the United States. There's 8 companies within the Brandt group of companies, the main one being Brandt Positioning Technology. We specialize in machine automation, GPS and robotic instruments, terrestrial scanners, and mobile mapping systems. We operate in Western Canada from British Columbia to Manitoba and represent Topcon and Sakia instrumentation. So what is BIM? BIM is a generation of visual models of a building or facility. It manages data about the building during the design stage, construction phase, the working life of the facility. It uses real-time dynamic modeling software, increase productivity and efficiency, save costs during design and construction, and reduce running costs through the facility life cycle. The statistics of BIM and trends of BIM, looking at some modeling from 2009 to 2012, we can see that the contractors are surpassing the architects in the use of this system, and it's always on the increase with all areas. Millions of dollars lost due to poor integration. This is where BIM comes in and is quite practical. 30% of the construction process is rework, 60% of the labor effort is wasted, 10% loss is due to wasted materials. Typical construction information is often inaccurate, incomplete, and ambiguous. Government legislation and best practices aim to maximize efficiency by lowering costs, speeding delivery, and lowering emissions. This is the workflow produced by Autodesk. Here at Brandt and Topcon, we like to think that we would fill all of these areas, but we don't. We provide hardware and software and cloud solutions in many of these areas, as you can see now. Moving on. So this is the D's of BIM. There's positioning, scheduling, estimating, sustainability, and facility management. How do we get BIM to the field? Well, Autodesk produces some fantastic software. We're working with Autodesk at the moment. We've been working with them for 1.5 years and producing hardware to work with their software. This is the Autodesk point layout tool, which will be spoken about a little bit later by Autodesk. What does BIM mean to you? Improved visualization and design, improved productivity, efficient project coordination and management, elimination of design collision, reduce, eliminate redesigns, and increase production. You're going to save time and money using this. What does BIM mean to you? The engineer is going to have safety and performance, the contractor, buildability, the owner, usability, functionality, and save money. The manufacturer, product maintenance, servicing, and performance will all be looked after. The BIM workflow with Topcon instrumentation and cloud-based software. You can see a workflow here from the office into the cloud. It comes out into using our Topcon hardware, back into the cloud with the information that has been put on the ground. It's then going to be as-builted and then back into the cloud and into the BIM system. The advantages with Brandt and Topcon. We've got a new GLS 2000 scanner due to be released next month. The LN100, which was produced with Topcon and Autodesk. It's a layout tool that will be used in putting points on the ground in the project. The IS310, an imaging robot, and the Tesla field data collector. software we have, which is Magnet Enterprise. We also have a widget that you can use AutoCAD 360 within that software program, which is Magnet Field and Office. So the Bim software looks something like this. You can see the Autodesk products moving into the Magnet Enterprise, which is our cloud-based system, and then into Magnet Field to put it onto the ground. This is some of the products, some images of the products, the GLS 2000, the LN100, and the IS 310 I spoke about earlier. Any questions?